Here's IGV. Software group hasn't done well for a while now. It's not like breaking down hard, but it is slowly coming down. After trying to break out here and it didn't work, and it just slowly coming back down. Right now, you can see is that the red line again. Red line is very key for institution, especially for stocks that are mega cap. They tend to be the any strong growth stock. That's where the line of support is usually. If they don't support near that line very quickly, usually it will fall pretty hard. As more sellers start to sell right as it drops. So that's always the tricky thing. When it comes down to 50-day, it could accelerate if it breaks that. So that is the only tricky thing. Microsoft coming back down again. This looks very much like a hell-shaped pattern. I don't like seeing this right now. I'm seeing this happening in many mega cap stocks, and that's not a good sign. Google looks really good here. It bounced on Friday, um, and at the top of the range, and able to close at a new recent high here. I'm liking this chart a lot. Very tight base. Tested the pink line here once already and bounced back. Very strong chart. This is definitely one of the strongest mega cap chart right now. Amazon continued to go down despite their prime days and so forth. Didn't really make it didn't help them at all, which is very interesting. And look at this, it just broke the 200-day. That is not a good sign. So I'm gonna, again, like there's lots of talk about the retails area getting hit hard, and it's one of the weakest area recently in the stock market as well. So if you look at SRT, here's Meta. Meta has been kind of on a downtrend, but it's very interesting. It's trading really tight right now. That's always a good sign because it just shows that despite again this week market is very turbulent. So I think we have to take that into context too, right? This last week has been very turbulent, like the last 6 sessions. And if the stocks are holding, and that's the one good sign as well, is that some of these stocks, even though they're forming L-shaped pattern and so forth, they're trading tightly, and then that's always a good sign tightly. Right now, doesn't mean it won't break down. It just means at least it's holding up right now for the moment. If there's something negative or macro-wise that could impact the whole economy, then these stocks will start to fall as well, right? Because that just brings the whole market down. But but at least this last week we're able to hold up. So but let's see. It's hard to say like what's gonna happen in the future.